Namaskar. Welcome in a short presentation on current and evolving paradigm of e-research. I am Vinod Rajbhatta, a student at Nepal Open University, MPhil in English Education, first semester, 75153145. Let's start my presentation on the short introduction of e-research. In a very simple word, use of cyber infrastructure in the research activity is called e-research. It is a collaborative and interactive research which is made possible by the internet data and computational grid. The word e-research came into vogue in academic circles since 2000. In e-research, highly skillful researchers take research with large sample from distributed population. They collect and generate data, store them for the scientific analysis, and disseminate the findings which are comparatively reliable, and valid. E-research propaganda or paradigm shift. Nowadays, there are different perceptions of different people towards e-research. Some say that e-research is propaganda, whereas some others say it is the form of paradigm shift in the process of research. E-research is conceptualized as the research conducted relying on supporting infrastructures that should properly be called e-research infrastructure or cyber infrastructure. E-research is a paradigm shift in the process of research tradition. Traditional researches were very limited in terms of resources, study population, research findings, and dissemination. They were less authentic, less valid, and less reliable. So, e-research is the paradigm shift which avoids all of the above mentioned weaknesses of the traditional research. Let's talk about how e-research came into existence. First, e-research came with the concept of e-science. E-science is conceptualized as big science, which initially described the weapon-related research during the Second World War. The term e-science is basically a European version of American term cyber infrastructure, which was coined by John Taylor in 1999. John Taylor was the then Director General of the Office of Science and Technology. So e-research was first developed in climate science because climate scientists had failed many problems for manipulating the data of their research. Now let's discuss about the current paradigm of e-research. What is the present status of e-research? Let's start. Currently, e-research works as the service orientation. It is used in educational research fields. There are more than 27,000 active digital users of e-research around the world. E-research is replacing the traditional type of paper pencil based research. It is addressing the weaknesses of traditional research, and it has been massively used in several fields like administration, business, networking, research, etc. Research process is being computerized along with the use of high-speed, large-capacity machines. The distant collaboration among the researchers from the international scope is increased. Not only this, research process including communication, research management, data collection and analysis, publication of the findings, all of these activities are being conducted with the help of internet. Research experiments are also being carried out with new form of data visualization. Data are being collected from thousands of people and diverse areas by the researcher. E-research is also promoting better collaboration between the researchers and the respondents. Researchers are studying large-scale data for high performance, validity, reliability, and so on and so forth. Digital and cyber literacy to the researchers and the respondents have been fostered. E-research is creating the virtual learning environment to researchers and respondents after increasing knowledge. It is also increasing the capability of tools, infrastructures, and services. Finally, e-research is enabling people to create and share information collaboratively, which are essential parts of any kinds of educational research nowadays. Okay, thank you very much. Have a